Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to hide a folder on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. If you want to hide a specific folder here on your Windows or laptop or PC, you just have to simply locate that specific folder right here. Right click and under General, you should see this hidden below attributes. So all you have to do is to tap that one, click apply, and you will see options here. So you have chosen to make the following attribute changes: hide. Do you want to apply the changes to this folder only, or do you want to apply it all subfolder and files as well? So you have two options here. Click the first or second one, it's up to you. Tap on OK. And when you refresh this, the folder is now hidden. Now, if you want to open or view this folder again, what you're going to do is go to your File Explorer or go to your folder. Now you have to look for desktop, okay, and then tap on View. Now you should see this hidden item. You just have to click that one and you will see all hidden folders. Click and you will see all the files inside this hidden folder. You can hide as many folders as you can. And again, just go to desktop, go to view, and then look for hidden folders to view hidden items and hidden folders here on your Windows. And basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to hide a folder on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.